Good morning from Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we're going kayaking with the family. Got the wife, got my mother. I'm gonna see what we can get into today.
I'm a mother.
You are a mother sometimes when you're being nice. But let's get going. Come on.
Oh,
There she goes. Ba-da-da-ba-da. Woo! Oh, you got a cup holder.
I've got a cup holder.
Jonna?
That's not fair.
I don't got a cup holder.
I thought you were gonna get on a roller coaster.
But that's what it's kind of like. Just get your feet in now.
Oh my God.
Voila. Here's your paddle. Good luck. Bye, baby. If you flip over, push your feet out. I'm not being slow. I had to babysit you. Difference. Okay, I might be a little fat for this. Whoa. We're going that way, straight across. Huh? Why don't we go this way? It's smaller and more fun.
But there are alligators up there.
There's no alligators. They're in the canals. They're in the canals, guys. They're not going to get you. The alligators, if they're in here, they're everywhere. Let's go that way. It's smaller. Please. Thank you. I love y'all. This ain't half bad, actually. Come on, John. Paddle. Now, come back here. I'm going to ram you. Because John is behind me. I can't ram him. Hang on. Hang on. Watch your arm. Ah! Collision. Titanic. No survivals.
I took Joe out in the sound one day.
Uh-huh.
And I tied him to me because I really was like unsure of it. That little boy wouldn't even paddle.
Oh, yeah.
I said, you little shit.
Oh, this way.
Then I had to cut him loose. And then
Cut him loose. Cut the 8-year-old loose. Good luck. The alligators eat you. Bubble boats. Hang on. Get away. This ain't bad. Till some boat comes by and knocks us all off. That'd be all luck. Next time we come, we gotta bring the fishing poles. That was the plan, Mom, to go fishing this morning. Meow, meow, meow. Look, it's Peabody. Oh, Peabody. Hey, we can go down the little canal there and see the alligators. Come on, ladies. He's right there in the corner. He was last year. I'm protected. I got a oar. Pow! Whack him. Meow, 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 meow. Woo! I'm gonna look down at some point. I'm gonna be leaking. I'm like, I'm going down with the ship.
Alright, these things don't leak. You alright? Yeah.
You didn't have time to go to the gym this week, so this is our gym workout for the week. All of us get a little exercise.
Yeah, I set mine up pretty good.
Y'all coming?
Well, worry about Jonna. I'm good. I'm just fun. You don't leave no man behind.
To the turtle. To the fish. Come here. We're gonna whack him out, guys. Whack him on the head and catch him. Catch that turtle. Oh, he went. Look at him, guys. It's a turtle. Don't move.
Why?
I'm not moving. It's a turtle. Hi, buddy. You want to get in the boat with me? Come here. Come here. Oh, that's a stick. It's a very convincing stick, though. I ain't gonna lie. That was a very convincing stick. Baby, you good back there? Do I need to come get you and pull you back? Have you seen them TikToks where the man's pulling the wife back? I'm sorry, I love you, but I don't love you that much. Huh? What's up? Is Snapchat? Hang on, go back. I want to be on Snapchat.
You are on it.
Grab on.
That's an ugly picture.
What's up? What's up, my
It's like
Snap?
my son's dad. My hamster.
Hi, Snapchat people.
You can't even see my face.
We're doing our way back. Bye, baby. Mom, come back. You're leaving us. Wait for me. I'm fat. Watch out. Woo! Hi, Mom.
I'd hate to know y'all when y'all were doing this as kids.
We were the ones trying to knock everybody out the boat. Like, come here. I'm gonna flip that canoe. Oh, he had an. Oh, there we go. I need the canoe to be a little more open, ladies. Look. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I can't quite get both feet in. I have to lean one, lean left, lean right. Oh, wait, no. Left.
I can't believe that one has a drink holder.
I have a drink holder. You have a drink holder.
Where?
Right here in the middle.
Oh, I do. Never mind.
I mean, it ain't as good as Holes. Holes is like deep.
I got a McDonald's cup of mine.
Grab on. Grab on, Rose. Yeah. Get away from me. Oh, this is nice. This water feels amazing. I'm go fish tonight, babe. When, shh. You're on camera. Don't be talking about illegal stuff. What are bullets? We're gonna ram them. Oh crap! Too much. Too much. Hey, baby.
No.
Put my hand.
All right.
Bye, Mom. One each. Go, Johnny, go.
I can't.
Ah, I love you, but I'm gonna abandon you. Oh, you're not gonna flip. I've literally leaned every direction. It will only go about so. Come on, baby. I can't. I'm stuck. You're in my way. Here. Okay. Go. Oh no, he is belly up. R.I.P. my friend. Catfish, I think. Yeah, catfish.
Let's cook it for dinner.
I don't think it's designed to be cooked. I lost it!
I don't need to go crazy. Why do you say that?
She just propped the phone up. Think it would be funny.
She really trying to record herself.
Probably. Go live for whole Snapchat friends.
The bridge is behind me, but you can't see it now.
Oh. Collision.
I don't know where we're going.
I don't know. My mom is way too happy about it. I don't think this is how it's walking, but it's walking good for me. Good walkout. Upper body walkout. Yeah.
Nancy, are you okay?
I'm gonna turn around. Bye, Mom.
Wow. No, you're not. You're going to the power line.
Why do I gotta power? I don't want to go to power. It's too far. Huh? No, my back hurt. This life jacket is pushing my back up. Look at the size of that moth. He big. What's that flower? Oh, it's a flower thingy. Huh?
What is that?
Like a flower thingy. You're there, keep going. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Wait, where you going, baby? I'm going in the woods. See, look, you had a fish. We had the fishing poles right now. Just shh. What do you think? Whoa, I still ain't touching bottom. Oh, right there. How about to say the first time I did it was over my thing. I was like, what the crap? I'm gonna find an alligator. I'm less worried about an alligator, more worried about the snake. I'll be like, pop, pop.
Hey, don't worry about the snakes. I still have nightmares from my childhood.
What happened?
My mom, my cousin, and I would take our boat out the creek behind it, and this little moccasin was trying to get up the side of the boat. I remember he was red. Oh, he was horrible. Joe was beating him. Oh, it was horrible.
I want to find me an alligator. He's not gonna... Guys, the little alligators are not big enough to even knock the boat over. Well, don't jump in with them. You ain't supposed to swim with the deadly reptiles. Mama said they angry because they have all them teeth and not a toothbrush. We're going close. Huh?
Spanish moss?
Is that what it is? I knew it was moss, but I didn't know it was a Spanish moss. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers, Lizzie. More flowers. Johnny, you want me to go pick you one? Come on, we'll see. Man, if I had a fishing pole right now, I bet the best. Is it refuge? No, we're not. Not even close, mommy. You're like, we're getting close to the boardwalk. No, we're not. Sit anaconda. Look, another dead fish. It's that catfish again. What is that? It's a stick, die stick. There it goes. I saw a turtle. Come back. I'm sorry. I was trying to catch a turtle. Stop! Everybody's fishing today. Fish must be biting. We should have brought the poles. Oh, a little too hard. If it was... I was trying to slide it up, but this time. Huh? Well, if the ramp was right, you should be able to slide right up it, but ramp ain't right. Come on.
I'm trying it. I'm wrecking it.
You're wrecking it.
You got it. Reggie, somehow. Green.
Get off. That's the easiest way for you to do it.
The worst part is I went to Kayak. Claire and Julie and I one of our birthday parties.
That was,
Supposed to do it.
I hope the gosh I got that. My camera was watching that.
All right, ready?
Hang on, John, I moved it.
I'm not graceful at all. Ready? Set.
Go. If you do it right, you can get up there without my nose. I was too nosy.
You got in there fast. Darn.
Whoa, Mom. I slid you right uphill. I think she just weighs half a weight. Gotta get around it. I finally found my turtle. Hey, buddy, got the road. It's not safe. Yep, we missed him. Yay! We got guys, thanks for watching as always. I was planning on putting some fishing video in this, but it stormed all afternoon after we got done kayaking, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm trying to get some different footage, some different stuff going on. And if you like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Look at him. Pedro.